I busted my screen on my Moto G7, if you can see those cracks. So today I'm going to go through the procedure of fixing my Moto G7. What you'll need for fixing your screen is you'll need gloves because there is broken glass, so if there's broken glass you need some protection. Also, I got this kit for $50 because it would cost $130 for it to be professionally prepared. Start by powering down your phone. Next, you'll need a pointy tool to get the SIM card out. My kit came with one. The screen is glued to the phone, so you'll need to get a hairdryer or a heat gun to loosen the glue. Then my kit came with a tool shaped like a guitar pick, only sharper. You'll need to wedge it between the screen and the phone and work it all the way around. I had to repeat using the heat gun and doing this multiple times before the screen came out. There's one cable connecting the screen to the phone. Also, the big yellow thing is the battery if it needs to be replaced. Remove the 3 screws holding the metal cover on to expose the cable connector. Then you can simply pull up on the cable. Here is my busted screen. You always need to keep your phone in your pocket while walking so that you don't have a busted screen like mine. There is still some broken glass attached to my phone. I had to get my dad to use a razor blade to remove it. He also scraped off the old glue. I wanted to make sure the new screen worked, so I plugged the cable in and turned the phone on. It works perfectly! So now let's power it back down. My kit came with very small double-sided tape, so I put it all the way around the phone. Then I removed the top paper from the tape. Now we're ready to connect the screen permanently. I reattached the cable, put the metal bracket back on, and installed the 3 screws. Now carefully align the screen with the phone. Unlike super glue, if you mess up, you can take it back off. Press it down firmly. Now let's remove the screen protector and heat the edges up and press it down really good. So now I've all put it back together, it's time to test it. And while I'm waiting for it to turn on, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe if we haven't already. We're almost to 35 subscribers, and comment down below what video you want me to do next. Yay! It is fixed! So it took us about 40 minutes, and I saved $80 just by fixing it myself. I hope you liked this video. If you did, smash that like button, subscribe to our channel, and comment down below what video you want me to do next. Bye! Queen and Andy saved the day!